In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play 2 players on Black Ops 6 Zombies. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do split screen in Black Ops 6 Zombies. Just like other Call of Duty games, you can absolutely play zombies by sharing the same screen and the same console. All that you need is an additional controller. So, to start, go over to the zombies option. So instead of campaign or multiplayer, go to zombies. And now if you look at the top right, you should be alone in the party. So you will be by yourself. And there is usually going to be this message right below it. Add a controller or keyboard and mouse for split screen. So all that you have to do now is connect the additional controller or keyboard and mouse like I mentioned. If you are on PlayStation, this will be done by pressing the PlayStation button, or alternatively PlayStation and the share button simultaneously. If you are on Xbox, you will have the synchronize or connect button. Basically, just find a way to connect your additional controller. If you want to, you can also use a cable. Once you have the additional controller connected, you will most likely need to select a user profile. You should have a PlayStation Network account with your user profile. The same thing for Xbox, you should have a Microsoft user. If needed, create a new profile to that secondary controller. Most of the time, you need to set up either a Microsoft account or a PSN account to that controller. It is a little bit annoying, but it is something that you do once and it's always going to be set up in the future. So I highly recommend creating an account if you don't have one set up. After it is done and you have selected an account for that additional controller, if you go back inside of the game and you look underneath your party, that message has now changed. Now it's telling you to press a specific button to join split screen. So press the respective button. Player 2 will join immediately alongside you in your party. Now you can queue up for any zombies map, any zombies mode, and start playing. You can enable or disable squad fill if you want to have randos alongside you too, and the screen will be shared down across the middle. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.